before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Welcome back. So today, I'll be unboxing and I'll be showing you itong 9 pieces hand tool set. So, bakit siya tawag hand tool set? So, we will know kung ano at kung bakit. So, guys, nakita niyo yung packaging. So, this is the packaging dapat. Naka-plastic dapat siya and then meron like cardboard or wrap na nakasamang paper sa loob indicating and naka-seal na ganyan paikot. Okay? So, ayan picture niya, guys. I think hindi nakikita na sa reflection, but it's okay. We have the honor to unbox. So, let's do this. Natutuwa ako kapag nagkakating ako lagi ng ganito. It's fun. So, nani-picture niya, guys, dapat sa loob. Nakikita niyo yung 9 pieces. Okay? And naka-color talaga siya kay Tolsen. I love it! So, here. Tatanggalin natin to para at least nakita natin. So, ito. Dapat meron siya dito, guys. Sige. So, ngayon kayo bibigyan ko ng chance para makita muna to bago ako. So, ready? Oh, I think then. Very good. Very nice. So, yeah. So, ito yung sa loob. And I wanna see. Oh! So, anyways, ito na yun. Definitely yung mga measuring tape kailangan sa bahay. Kahit naman ako kailangan ko print sa bahay. Hanggang ngayon eh. And this is the, wait, let's see. So, ito bakit sin? PVC insulating tape. Yan. So, yan siya. Isa-isahin natin. So, mas gusto mong pakita sa inyo as ganito. Then, we have ito. So, we have yung cutting plier. Then, we have the combination plier. So, tanggalin din natin ito. Ayan. Para makita natin mo. Ayan. Ayan sila. So, yes. Ito yung mga basics kasi. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko sa bahay. Besides, kay screwdriver and kay flat. Mali. Sorry. Hindi para screwdriver. Sila dalawa yung screwdriver. Si Flat and si Philip. I mean, to say. Nag-lag talaga ako today, guys. I'm very much sorry. So, next is the wrench. So, si wrench is adjustable na siya. So, yes. Magagamit din siya. Kasi, pag may knot, tapos wala kayong wrench. Masakit sa kamay, ha? Don't try it at home na kamay ang gagamitin. Masakit siya. As much as possible, syempre, huwag naman. Then, we have the cutter, definitely. We have the voltage tester. Syempre, kailangan natin ito. Baka nga, sumakuryente. Huwag naman. Better safe than sorry. Okay. So, yan ang mga laman ni 9 pieces hand tool set. So, definitely, kailangan nyo rin ito. Kasi most of the time sa bahay, lalo na kapag kunwari may ginagawa ko, I always use, ako sasabihin sa inyo kung what do I use always. I always use the measuring tape, the combination pliers, the screwdrivers, and the cutter. Kasi yun yung most na ginagamit sa bahay. But, once na nag-start ako gumawa ng other DIYs, like, for example, I'll make a chair, a wooden chair, syempre, iba din kailangan ko doon. But so far, yung basics ito. Kunwari, naging loose screw lang yung paghila ko ng drawer. Yung gano'n, yung handle. So that is it, you guys. That's all what I can do today for you guys. I hope na enjoy itong video. Mag-unbox tayo ng hand tool set. Then, sana may natutunan din kayo sa akin. Sana talaga. Then, please look forward sa mga future videos namin. Tapos, para saan itong mga each purpose nila, please do watch our previous videos para sa mga descriptions nila. Kung saan sila gawa, ano yung gawa, ano yung materials nila and everything. Yes, nandun lahat na details. If not, you can always ask us. Like, comment, and share. Feel free to message us. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.